Good morning, everyone. April 30th. April 30th, approximately 8 o'clock a.m. Taking a walk to my dock. Everything's still frozen. April 30th. Took a lot of damage. Water's pretty low. Indeed. Water is low. Gonna have lots of repairs this year. Well, guys, drop a comment below. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if your guys' lake is frozen. April 30th, 8 a.m. Do you guys still have ice on your guys' lake? Have a good day, guys. Click like, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.